I'm Emily Cappiello with the Gourmet Insider, and today I'm making homemade hard seltzers. So for the last few years, hard seltzers have been everywhere because they're easy, they're in a can, they're great sippers for the beach, for picnics, for hanging out in the backyard, but you can make a really great, delicious, fresh, flavorful hard seltzer at home. I like to use liqueurs. You can also use fruit juice and add your club soda or sparkling water and your vodka to that. But I have these really great liqueurs from Heimat in Mamaroneck, New York. She uses fresh fruits and fresh rhubarb, locally sourced. Everything is really flavorful. So that's what I choose when I'm gonna make my hard seltzer at home. I like my hard seltzer a little bit sweeter and a little bit more flavorful. So I use 2 ounces of the liqueur. And I have this great jigger from True Brands, which is 1 ounce on one side and ½ ounce on the other, so I know exactly what I'm pouring in. And then I like to use club soda for my hard seltzer. You can use sparkling water. If you have a soda stream, you can use that. I prefer Regatta craft mixers. They're from Long Island. They are located in Locust Valley. And they're just a really great alternative for a flavorful club soda or tonic water. They're on the same par as something like a Fever Tree, but I really, really prefer to use them. So I'm just gonna pour them in to my little heart's content. And I cheated a little. I have a glass full of ice already because you're going to want to make sure that you're going to want to ice this. Then to amp up this hard seltzer, I'm going to put in 1 ounce of Tito's vodka. If you would like more, go ahead and put 2, but I'm going to do 1 ounce. And Tito's is just my preferred vodka. You can use any vodka you preferred. Just steer clear to not use a flavored vodka because that's really going to mess with the flavor of your hard seltzer. Then I just give it a quick stir with my awesome True Brands spoon. And it's time for a garnish. Fresh blackberries that I just picked up from the farmer's market, and my favorite colored straw makes this a really fun, easy sipper for parties, for just hanging out in the backyard, for Friday after work when you're too tired to mix something really extreme. Cheers.